your windshield wipers streaking, squeaking, skipping, or worse? In this video, I'll show you how to replace your windshield wipers quickly, saving you both time and money. No waiting in the repair shop for a $50 or better repair. Replacing wiper blades is one of the easiest car maintenance tasks anyone can do. Not only saving you time and money, but making a huge difference in visibility and safety. So let's get started. This windshield wiper has been on this vehicle for about 3 to 4 years. You can see how it just tore up. This was from being out in the sun and more recently the snow we've been having. I don't use this vehicle often, once, twice a week, if that much anymore, but these wipers still get wear and tear on them. I'm replacing this wiper with one that I picked up off Amazon. I'll have the link for this down below. It's an inexpensive wiper. If you go to the link, type in the carb that you have, and make sure that the wiper you're ordering fits your vehicle. So let's get started with this. On this particular wiper, you would flip it over. There's a tab right under here. You would just press this tab and slide the wiper out. It takes 2 hands. Again, I don't know if the camera's picking this up. I can't tell. You would press this tab and just push the wiper back. Back and then out. I'm not sure if this was in focus, but the tab that you're pressing is this little tab over here. And what you would do, once you're pressing that tab, you would slide the wiper back. This hook is what's holding it in, so you would slide back in this direction. I didn't do it in this video, and I should have. It's not a bad idea to put a thick, heavy towel on the windshield. If this just snapped back on you, you won't be hitting your glass. Should be doing that, whether this is the first time you're doing it or not. Now, this wiper that I'm replacing it with is a little different configuration. Let me show you. Get yourself a screwdriver, a small screwdriver, or a little razor blade. Pops open like that. And you can see basically it's the same inside as this other one. See this? So what you would do now is slide the wiper. Get this in focus. What you would do now is slide the wiper over this hook. Slide it in this way. Bring it back. It has to connect. It has to connect down in here. Bring it back. Make sure it's all the way in. And snap it close. That's it. And you do the same for the other side. This blade on this side, which I just change them when I need them. This was part of the set. This blade I changed back in February, last February, 2025. I changed this blade due to the old one streaking. Now, a lot of times if your windshield wipers are streaking, there's no need to change the blade. Just lift them up. Get yourself a soft cloth, some soapy water, and just wash it down. Because if you get some dirt build up in here, it will streak. I don't know how long these wipers would last under everyday use. If you use the vehicle 5 days, 7 days out of the week. Like I said, I only use it a couple of days out of the week. But that one lasted a year. And for the price, if I have to change it again, I'll just have another set on hand. You see how easy it is? So why pay $50 or better at a shop, plus the time going to the shop and having to wait for them to do it? You see how easy this was to do? It took less than 5 minutes and you got it done. So that's a wrap. If you have any questions or comments, post them down below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. It does help. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Hit that Joe Z button. And not to miss my new videos as I upload them, be sure to ring that bell. Until next time, stay safe.